Hi everybody! Today I want to show you a really sweet way to wrap a gift, and we're using these little lei containers, these little plastic containers right here, and some tissue paper, and we're wrapping them like candy. Isn't that cute? It's a fun way to package things, unique, something different under the tree. Okay, so I'm going to take my little gift. I'm going to put it inside my little box. Make sure you have a gift that will fit. Little shreds are always kind of fun to put in there too. So I'm going to snap that together and then just put a little tape so it doesn't come apart. Now I have found that tissue paper, it comes in the perfect size to wrap my cute little present, okay? So I want this to be long ways. I want to have plenty to scrunch up on the sides like I did for this one over here. Let's go ahead. I did find that 2 sheets works better. If you only use 1 sheet, it will be a little see-through, so I do like to use 2 sheets. And then just roll. Give it a nice little snug. And then I'm going to put a little tape here to secure it. Okay, I have this gold metallic string. It's very dainty and small, but that's what I'm going to tie the ends with. And I'll get 2 pieces of that, put it on the side. Okay, and then from here, we just scrunch along the side gently. Take one of our gold loops, gold thread. You could use ribbon, that could also be super cute on there. I just thought this gold ribbon or gold thread was just really sweet and dainty. Okay, and I'll do the other side. And a gentle cinch here with my gold and wrapping that around. The nice thing about tissue paper is it'll be easy to wrap or to tear open. It's inexpensive. Cellophane is nice too. It'd also be cute if you did cellophane. These look like little candies in cellophane as well. But here you go. Cute way of wrapping your gifts for the holidays. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.